Hi everybody, sorry for such the poor lighting, but it's 3 a.m. in the morning and I'm in the kitchen. I couldn't sleep because I was just wanted to tell you about what happened. So, the Chrisley and Paulson thing. So there was two things that were happening today. There was the motion to dismiss counterclaim and the motion to compel. So first of all, we had Kristen Hendrick for Katie Joy and Charles Goki for Chrisley. First of all, I mean, because it was their motion, they got to speak first. So they talked about the three matters. That one was the first thing that she pleaded was defamation. That there was really no defamatory statement pointed out. Then the second one was the harassment, and he stated that it was a criminal law matter rather than a civil law matter. But that looked like he thought that was going to be abandoned. And again, there was no real evidence what the harassment was. And the intentional infliction of emotional distress, that he quoted that she suffered general damages and emotional infliction of distress. But again, it doesn't plead that he had done extremely outrageous conduct. So Hendrick then spoke and said that, there is defamation, and referred to the podcasts, that Chrisley's behaviour was extreme and outrageous, that he threatened to bury her with lawsuits, and then that there was multiple podcasts, and for the intentional infliction of distress, that he threatened to bury her. The judge then said, well, what's happening with the harassment? Because I've never, ever seen a harassment claim occur in a private civil claim. That's more of a criminal claim unless it was a restraining order. And it was admitted that that part was going to be dropped and that she would take out a police report if she needed to. So Goki got to respond again because, it's your case. You put your defence, you state your claim, they get to defend, then you get the final thing. He said that, the podcasts were statements of opinion. And one of the cases that they mentioned was, in fact, he looked it up, he read it, and it had nothing to do with defamation. He thought maybe that they had given the wrong case, but nothing happened. Then it came to the motion to compel, and the judge says to Hendrick, I don't think I've seen a response to that. Have you filed a response? And Hendrick says, no, we believe we've supplied the interrogatories. See, interrogatories, I can't say the word because we don't have that word here. So I apologise. So Goki was saying, well, we got this and we got this. And so the judge said that, we'll put you in a breakout room for you to sort it out. So we just sort of sat around. But I did think Hendrick was reading from a script. It was very clinical. So the interrogatories in the end has been completed. It was belated, which would make that moot. However, because they were returned after the actual date, Chrisley's Arts is asking for lawyer fees because he still produced it. They agreed to follow up and discuss things offline and have agreed to a date of September 9th for agreed documents, and anything not agreed, the judge will work out a time to hear those arguments. Hendrick responded that they didn't send the documents because they may have been needed for the criminal case or whatever, and they needed to wait for the criminal case to be over before that they revealed any documentation. But it was interesting because Goki said that the interrogatory response was not related to the trial, but rather to the now abandoned claim. So, yeah, interesting. So I believe the motion to dismiss, from my understanding, is under advisement, and the motion to compel is pending September 9. So coming September 9, so that will be ordered. So there will be a court order saying that these documents have to be done by September 9, and she will then do her judgment. Now I'm just going to do a really quick check to see whether there is anything here being filed as a judgment. Let's have a look. Not taken under advisement. So it just says taken under advisement, remote hearing held. So yeah, so we're just waiting for orders and everything. But anyway, that is the huge summary as well. I mean, you know, in my notes that I took. It did occur at midnight my time. As I said, it's 3 a.m. now. So I'm just going, oh, I've got to do this, So I apologise for the poor quality, but I wanted to get it out there. Feel free to comment below, and I will speak to you next time. Bye for now.